No, I'm so ugly. I can't do this. I think my mono is back. I've done some research and
Kill death ratio. Trick.
Vanessa, you could just drop out of school and work a red drum your whole life.
okay, so once you're infected with the
EBV virus. No, it's the EB.
you carry the virus in a dormant state for the rest of your life.
I don't know.
One time I read this thing and it said like it can like make you think it's gone and then it'll come back, and I had mono like 3 months, and somewhere I swear I read it can like fade in and out for like 8 months. Yeah, but everything else is telling me only like 2 to 4 weeks. But
It's gonna be day to remember.
because I've had it before, I know the symptoms. And what happened last time was I got these like weird cold sore looking things on my lips, and I was like, oh, I have like
An STD.
but then my lymph nodes,
Swole up.
I might have photos saved, but like I had
She just sat there.
a huge knot on my neck. I just wasn't doing good. I couldn't move, so I was coming back, and then yesterday I went to school and I felt like but it was just like really bad, like really intense headaches, and the left side of my throat hurt really bad, like when I swallow, like this side hurts really bad, and it's the side where my lymph nodes swollen. I've also had like weird neck pains, and like that's kind of what happened last time. But last time I also had a sinus infection.
By cockroaches.
Just
doesn't have moss or mold.
Those things.
A little life update, guys. I'm just gonna get real with y'all. I don't like the word y'all. Alright. So, I have not been doing good. I've been mentally trying to get myself together, pull myself together, you know. I'm just so lazy. It's kind of hard, but I'm gonna pull it together. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna commit to this. Obviously. Oh, Dad just got home. I'm vlogging. What's up? But I want to do better for myself. I want a better overall well-being. Cleanse. Stop cutting your bangs. Eat better. Do you guys ever like start new things and then like fall off after like a week? Like, bro. Another thing is I've been super unproductive with like cleaning my room, and I always feel like way better when my room's clean. So I'm gonna clean my room. I decided to destroy my room. Is that scary? Yes. Sorry. Let's get to it. So it's several hours later. It is actually like 3 in the morning. I've cleaned my room. There you go. I cleaned my room. I hung this thing on my wall.